Shorty said she coming with the bread for the bill for the young. Coming with the bread for the bill for the young. Coming with the bread for the bill for the young. Coming with the bread for the Shorty said she coming with the bread bill. She saw a young nigga pull up in the rover. Now she said she wanna come over, yeah, but I don't want no love. I just wanna make the moolah.
Hi guys, welcome back to our channel, and today we're going to be making juice. So here are the ingredients, the fruits. Here are pineapple, carrots, cucumbers, papaya, and yeah, that's all the ingredients, and here's us showing the process. So the blender we are using is Big Mouth Juicers, and it is actually good blender. You can separate the pulp and the juice. You just put a vegetable onto the little hole and then you push it, and then it will just separate the juice and the pulp. You might be wondering why we're stirring it in a squish cloth and a strainer. It's because we're straining the acid juice onto the cloth, and then the bowl will only be pure real juice. So this really helps, and it doesn't give you acids on your stomach, because when you get acids in your stomach you get really hungry. So that was a really good tip. So the first step in making this juice is to slice all of your fruits and carrots and cucumbers, because those are the main fruits to our juice, because they really help, and the fruits are just for flavoring. And step 2 is to blender them, and make sure to always pour them in a cup, and then put them into a squish cloth, a thin cloth, or a strainer. Then stir it so that all of the acids of the juice will go onto the strainer and not to the bowl. The third step is just to keep repeating the pattern and until your fruits have all been gone and they're onto the juice, and you might get this results.